Hi guys, in this video I would like to present one of the disk scheduling algorithm, Look. If anybody missed to watch the videos of disk scheduling algorithms, FCFS, SSTF, SCAN and CSCAN, first watch those videos, then come to this video. So in Look algorithm, with the request given, our disk head moves, it takes one direction. Here the direction is very important, like in SCAN algorithm, it takes one direction. On that direction it accepts all the requests and stops at the last request on that direction, and again it come back, that means it takes reverse direction and again accepts all the requests on that direction and stops at the last request. So it's very simple. Now the head is starting from some position. It takes either right hand side or left hand side. The movement it takes whether goes to the right hand side or left hand side. For example, it takes the right hand side. On the right hand side, it accepts all the requests available and stops at the last request. From that request, it turns back and accepts all the requests available on the left hand side and stops at the last request. So that is the simple mechanism in Look algorithm. Now we will understand this Look algorithm by taking one example. So here the given example, there are number of track requests available in the queue and the head position starts at 53. Okay, see, so the head starts at 53 and this is the ready queue. On the ready queue it consists of 8 requests available. So we are at 53 position. From 53 position, based on the Look algorithm, what is Look algorithm? It takes one direction. So in this example I am taking the right hand direction. Here the right side or left side is not that. We are taking the direction towards the maximum value or minimum value. Here I am taking the maximum value direction. The maximum value is 183. From 53 I am taking the greatest numbers, track numbers available. I am moving the head on that direction only. So here from 53, so the first move is the nearest maximum number from 53, that is 65. From 65 move to the next immediate maximum number 67. From 67 obviously it is 98. From 98 122. From 122 124. From 124 183. See, the 183 is the last request on this direction. If you observe the SCAN algorithm, in SCAN algorithm, after visiting the 183, move to the 199. It takes the end. But in Look algorithm, you stops at this point, the maximum point on one direction, and returns. Again it reverses the head and goes on that direction and accepts whatever the request available. So in this direction the first request is 37. So from 183 to 37, this is the 7th movement. From 37, 14 is the request available in the queue. This is the 8th movement. From 14, there is no request available in the queue. So it stops at 14 only. It doesn't go to the 0th position. It stops at 14. It doesn't go to the 0th position. It is a simple mechanism in Look algorithm. Okay. So we are at 53. We are taking the direction where the maximum track numbers available, greater than the 53 number is available. We are taking in this direction. Starting from 53, we move to the last request 183. From this point turns back and accepts all the requests in this direction, and it stops at 14. So it's a simple algorithm. If you want to find out the track numbers available for this schedule, simply you are at 53 and you are going to 183. So simply 183 minus 53, we will get all the track numbers visiting in this direction. From 183 minus 14, you will get all the track numbers available in this direction. Okay. See, 183 minus 53 plus 183 minus 14, 299. So the total track numbers visiting by using look algorithm is 299. Okay. So if you understand the scan algorithm, you can easily understand the look algorithm. The main difference between the scan algorithm and the look algorithm is, in scan algorithm, you start journey from the head starting position and takes one direction. On that direction you go to the end point. From 183 you go to the 199. But in this look algorithm you cannot touch the ends, either right side or left side. You simply take one direction and visiting all the tracks available. In the opposite direction also you are visiting all the tracks available. So that is about the look algorithm. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.